I think my camera caught me short there, so we're going to go back to the one arm swing 360. And there are two variations on this. I don't do either one in particularly well, but I'm trying. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That is just that is a sword swing 360. So if you don't know what the sword swing is, like that. If you want to do your sword swing 360, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? But I actually prefer the one arm swing 360, just normal 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And what's really great about this is if you get into some really fancy footwork, some shuffle steps and stuff, you could dance, turn around, quickly turn around again. And my lights just went out as well. I think that's my cue to finish this tutorial. I hope you liked it. I will do a more professional job of it later. And I hope you've gotten enough from this to actually encourage you to learn this jump. It's super fun and it will really spice up your routines. Have a good one. Leave some comments in the comments below.